My name is Dr. Jared Cooney Horvath, and I'm a teacher turned neuroscientist. So I study the brain, but my passion is still pedagogy, learning, students. If we know how all of this works, how can we get ideas across in a way that actually resonates and sticks with other individuals? This is why I'm doing a webinar with Isaacs coming up in January 14th to be exact, called The Neuroscience of Presenting Your Brain on PowerPoint. Now, if you've ever had to sit through a boring meeting with dozens of words on a PowerPoint while someone drones over it, you know, not always the best way to learn. But it turns out presenting, PowerPoint, being in front of other people is one of the greatest tools we have when it comes to learning and teaching, so long as it's done right. So what are some of those principles that make it work? What are some of the principles that make it not work? And if we understand those principles, how can we adapt that to improve, impact our own presenting? So that's kind of some of the things we're going to be taking a look at. How does all of this work? How does learning work? What are some key ideas we can immediately take away, start using in our presentations to make sure we're getting the biggest impact we can on others? So again, Isaac's online webinar coming up January 14th, Your Brain on PowerPoint, the Neuroscience of Presentations. Look forward to seeing you all there. Bye, y'all.